You're top of the morning, right? Back at it. Hopefully you're having a wonderful start of your week. I'm just gonna go straight into it, but we are gonna be opening up in premium. As you already know, I'm gonna show you real quick. I just have my fib already set and ready. That's the reason why it shows like that. I didn't place it correct, but it is what it is for now. Just wait. Open up in premium, but it's gonna be like more than 120 handles on NQ. And ES, I believe it's gonna be like 23. So let's see what happens. Let's see open 650. It's gonna be good for now. That would be perfect. Open 95. Close enough. Facts, your boy got a haircut because I was looking crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Alright. NQ, yes. So I did mark up this 1 hour here that we hit. Was that the London one? London candle, and here as well, 1 hour. On NQ, we definitely traded to the 50%. So, and yes, definitely ran through the previous day highs, and then we formed some equal highs. Both of them have the same high. It is, you guys can see the high of this candle here is right up here, 14, 714, 714, same thing. So that's perfect. I just want to do it down because I want to get copyrighted. If it does, doesn't matter. We have not taken out the high on NQ yet, but I am going to be paying attention to I'm going to be paying attention to it just in case if it does wants to continue up, going on higher, and not give us the field in the AM. So I want to be paying attention to that. Alright, so ES definitely created NQ created the first percent FG, which is right here, 931. Okay, you do have a void. A gap. What is the open of this candle? 27.25. And the close here is 2.25. Okay. Paying attention to it because this is a 1 hour. So if price does come back into it, I want to see if it moves away from it. So we have this candle 8:30, the 5 minute. I definitely want to mark it up. It's huge. I'm gonna go ahead and put this red. What is the low? Low is 70, 75. And then the height is 39.25. The reason I marked that is because it's at 8:30, and this is a 9:30, and then we just traded to and through it, and then we're coming back into it. So if price wasn't to come continue going up higher, we could use this 5 minute. I created a first presented FG on EOS yet. Same thing here. This is our 8:30 5 minute. It has not traded to and through it like we did on NQ. So that's what I'm practicing right now, just to not go to the 1 minute if I don't got no entry, because I was basically just going from the 1 hour all the way to the 1 minute, ignoring the 5 minute when I used to do that before, go in order, and then I stopped doing it for some reason, but it happens. Okay, I want to see the Fibonacci still here. Let me take this off. All right. We do have another small 1 hour here, which got hit at 4 a.m., which is the low of London. We have one as well on NQ. Excuse me, on ES. The low of ES. The London is 4 a.m. I have a small one in here between this candle's high, and the open of this candle here. Hopefully we get better moves than last week. So pay attention. Yes, you see, he did jab 936 into our first percent FEG. So let's pay attention to that. Oof, yo, them stretches, bro. Those one that like for real just remove you out of your body. They're the best. Alright, so we definitely now okay. I don't know why that appeared there. Trading below it, we got 1 minute on this 5 minute. If it closes below, I am gonna be to eliminate drawings. I am gonna be removing into our first percent FG. Trading below our BISI by sign efficiency, sell sign, and balance for our 1 hour. I have a order block here. Okay. Did take out these lows. I'm just being patient. That's how much as I can. And for breaker structure. Still no first present FUG on ES. Okay, I am looking as well if it do from premium start to drop. I want to see what it does in the upper quadrant. Does it continue? If it does, I'm gonna go ahead and see if we get some break of structure to the downside. Aim towards the 930 open gap, 50%. If it's continuing going higher, I am gonna be looking at it as well. But in order for me to take sell, so I want to see, what happens in 1 hour. Do we just trade below it and then continue, like trade on through, close below, and then continue going lower to the next 1 hour or the next session low, which is London? It's not bad because this session low of London right here is right next to the sensitive area at 930. Have about, yeah, 17 minutes, and then we got like 7 more minutes towards the micro, 950 to 1010. And what micro? Let me see. Yeah, we got news at 10. Orange folder. Let's see what we get, man. We are trading inside our daily. We'll see. I gotta get new glasses, dogs. Still no first percent FUG on it. Yeah, it's just have it marked up, but it is what it is. We are still reacting off first percent on ES. Excuse me, on NQ. They came back and they rejected it for a second time. So let's see. It's crazy when you start um, looking at price instead of just clicking buttons. How I've been trading in August. That has not been cool because they'll go to like a previous high, whether it's a short-term high, short-term low, or just, you know, even the high of a session or low of a session, or just the high of the day, low of the day, and they would just come back. But they won't even get to like a previous, like a 1 hour, um, at times, like high or low. It would just do it to it. It would just react off a short-term high or short-term low in a specific, you know, time frame, and then we just reject off of it. Like we just perch highs and lows, and then just boom, move away from it. It's crazy. That's how we still getting rejection on NQ off our 1 hour. I mean 1 minute, which is a brolic stop loss. I ain't want no piece of that. Like I said, I did like how we swept below here and here. I want to put exactly how it is because I'm gonna go crazy. 22.50. What? Bro, what? Okay. I don't know what was that, but okay. Alright, you guys can see NQ and what it's doing. Still pushing up. Let's see. It's crazy. We have not gotten a great percent FUG on ES yet. I don't know if we're going to get one, but look at that. See? Took some highs out. Now we have some relative equal highs up here. this candle. I'm gonna let this marinate a little bit. This shit's too good. I don't like this one. The 950. I don't like that. I don't like this. As a first percent FEG. I don't at all. See, like compared to ES. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this one. I left this one to like take out, swept like short term low, something. This one at least, traded to and through. Well, at least 50%. Yeah, bro, this shit's disgusting. Could just took out these stops and then turned this into inverted FUG. Came back into it, and now rejecting back into our 1 hour, which again could be, yeah, you could short there, but don't be stingy. If she came back into the 1 hour and don't take and haven't taken any partials, just because the way it's been trading. Now if it goes lower and continue going lower, it is what it is. Because we are in premium as well. But this is how we look in our regular trading hours for NQ on our left, ES on our right. You see that it is ranging sideways on ES. NQ is, is ranging. It was ranging upwards doing 930 opening. Now it's just, retracing back down. We do have news in 5 minutes, so and we back at it again in the first percent FG. I'm going to eliminate these right here just in case, because I don't have too much lines. You guys can see what I was saying. Going short here, especially after we have taken out these here. So go ahead and just place it there just cause 48, 550. I'll be trading below on 1 hour on both. Got like 4 minutes, so I'm gonna wait before I even try to enter anything. Because if we close below here, then this 1 hour becomes inverted. Okay, I definitely like this one here better. There's the long 93 and high 92. Good reaction, rejection, maybe gang. 3 more minutes. I guess I'm trying to be as patient as I can, just cause I don't want to rush into it. And we get a retracement or we get some sort of, move again, then I'll go ahead and see. But otherwise, I'm not. In about 2 more minutes. Got a minute of this candle here. So far, good rejection off these first presented FG and our inverted FG on NQ turned into an inverted. See if we came into it. So let's see. One more minute. Go ahead and see what happens on these shorts. Bro, this is brolic. If I'm honest. You're risking 200 points. Go ahead and short this real quick. If it wants to. See something. 3. $150 for not bad. Put it to the 50% of this. Let's see what we get. If we do want to continue going on lower, and if it does, I only want to just see it get down all the way to R. 930. If not, here's what it is. See if we can get some continuation after we hit our 3% FUG on ES as well. Let's just wait. Okay, a nice push on ES. See if we can get the same thing on NQ. At least
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Series wallet. Let's see, bro. I don't really care about anything else. If it gets here, that's good. Broke even from last week, and then profit. We are still in. We still got like 7 more minutes of micro. 950 to 1010. So hopefully we get some sort of rejection. I'm gonna move my stop once we break to and through these area here, and I'm gonna take some off as well. We can do it ourselves. Who knows? Yep, let's do it ourselves. I'll take one off the table. Hopefully that's it. Yeah. And then cancel this to here, confirm, and then apply stops. Yep. Just wait and see. Just swipe over some 5-minute. Let's do low here. 71.25, and then the high 54.50. Let's see if we can get some sort of rejection from this 1 minute here. Hopefully you do. This is a whole 5-minute busy here, so Let's see what we get. Look at that. The same thing here. 91, 84.25. Still anything off of it? Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, prefer doing that than anything else, bro. Because the way market is trading, whatever happens, happens. But everything will break even. So we are gonna stick with our um, the 25K. I want to actually just take it slow, take it steady. I did cancel 100. You know what I'm saying? I prefer just stacking a whole bunch of 25s, and just actually doing things correctly rather than just trying to aim so high. If I am not getting accustomed to small profits, so I'm just gonna stick with the small the small profits. Small scaling. Anything else could just it's gonna come. So I'm not I'm not trying to just get in. I'm not trying to be in a rush. So we are gonna be reaching on 9:30 on ES. Hopefully IQ follows it. We are break even. I am going to see. I'm gonna mark this up. That's like the nearest, the next low on the 5 minute. Really did enjoy how NQ moved, even though it wasn't clean. I just like the rejection that we got from it. Uh, Good risk to reward. Let's just wait now. Hopefully we get price to deliver to our area. Paying attention to the 9:30. What we'll do is take one on here and then I'm gonna scale the rest. I'll do that. Why not, right? Only if it gets to that area. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It is what it is. You're not gonna go ahead and stress anything out. They put everything in profit. This two. Sell limit or buy limit. You know what? I'll do it manually. If it comes back into this high, I'm gonna take one off. Just let the rest just do what it gotta do, cause price is not pricing. This is what I was saying earlier, how prices just been moving. So we take what we get. We take what we get. Squeeze out of the market. Want to be trying everything hard. Whatever happens here, and you will be cutting it short. I don't want to spend too much time in the charts to just try to gamble myself again, because I really just want to take. I want to take everything slow, man. I don't want to be rushing through anything. Let's see if ES wants to deliver to a 930. Let's see. Like I said, I'm not, expecting a fulfilled token or NQ, man. So it is what it is. If we do get it, awesome. All glory to Jesus. Still all glory to Him. But I still wanna take. I wanna take this route of doing my analyzing my daily, then my 1 hour, and then seeing some sort of break of structure in the 5 minute. If I could see like we did on NQ, excuse me. Yeah, like we saw the NQ that at 9:30 we traded to and through, and we had this 1 hour, and then price come back into it, and then the 1 hour it lines up with, our first percent FEG. Gladly take that for a buy to just continue to go up to the upside. That's that's all being aligned, all in sync. So we do have another 5 minute in here. I do have my stop above this candle current high, and we're also trading in this 5 minute. So let's see which one is able to push on to and through. It's like a small imbalance on so let's see. So we get that push to the 930% FEG, line more, line less. It's really close. I mean, like I said, this is a good amount, you know. 7 handles, 31 ticks. That's pretty good for me, especially risking 4. Look at that. Yep, literally 4. So we just playing around now in this area. Let's see. What time is it? 14. Okay, so we have 20 seconds on this candle here. I want to see if we're able to push on through and close below. Same thing on ES. Let's see. Okay, so we are going to close below on our 5 minute BISI, which became a inverted FEG compared to ES. So now I definitely want to see if we can continue to push on lower. I am gonna move my stop loss just a little bit lower. Yes, I am aggressively trailing it, but it is because price has just been very tricky lately. That I prefer just securing profits, small, whatever it is, and then yeah, whatever happens, happens. We're back inside on yes, and we are as well visiting this small volume imbalance in here. This is what I'm saying. See that? It's a lot of hard rejection, a lot of volatility right now. And the next micro is not on to like 1050, so if whatever it's gonna do, hopefully it does it now. I'm gonna take a shower after this, man. I'll take it. Like I said, we haven't had a win in a minute on either NQ or ES this month. I believe probably like maybe like 2, 3, but not one where I am live. So let's see. See if we could get delivered to 930 opening range gap 50%, and as well as for ES. Let's see. This is how we look on our regular trading hours. NQ on the left, ES on my right. It don't look good on the 1 minute. It's a lot of like choppiness, but it is what it is. Yeah, doing the micro swept, took out some stops, and you guys can see what happened after that. Yeah, that's pretty good. So we didn't take it just because of our 1 hour. Okay, let's see. Look at that. They have another one below. Thank you. The same. Compared to ES, even if we would have traded to and through below here, we would have had the small 5 minute one in here too, which we actually came into as well. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we just have given it another try. Let's see. Let's just leave it there just in case. And I want to see the reaction it gives us here of this sell stop on the 5 minute.
Let's see what NQ. Let's see what ES right now. She's getting closer. And I'm going to be trailing my stop once again. I'm going to put it right in here. I don't want her coming back into this 5 minute. Really don't. I never do. Again, I'm going to get stopped out in profit. Coming to this area here, this 5 minute hand markup on ES, on NQ, excuse me. I want to see the rejection we get from it. Then we have another 1 minute in here. So sign efficiency, buy sign balance. If price does want to come back into that area, I'll go ahead and mark it up just to get one more push before. Let's see. It's literally right there. I'm gonna go ahead and mark up my stop right there, just because again, if it's straight on to and through, just how price has been trading, I know that she's gonna she's going to want to come back into this area here if it turns inverted, and then give another push up in there, and I'm gonna lose interest in price there. I'm just gonna not want to pay too much attention. So again, we have our stop at the high of this 1022 candle, seeing what we get. Right now I want to see price reject, give us that push. Again, we do have a 5 minute in there, so that's exactly how I was saying. There she goes, and that is our trade of the day. I don't know why I just clicked that. So not too shabby. 209 for the day, getting us closer to our to the green. But that's about it for me today. I'm gonna go ahead and end my live here. I'm gonna holler you guys. Y'all stay safe, y'all stay blessed.
as always. A lot of peace, proper preparation for import performance, as always. Love y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. So far, we are gonna be trading Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. We're gonna trade Wednesday, Thursday, and that's about it for the week. And then after Wednesday and Thursday, I won't trade until September 7th because I do not trade the first. I don't trade the first month of every. I mean the first week of every new month. So after the 26th, 27th, I will not be trading until the 7th. And yeah, I figured out a video to make because, like I said, I am taking you guys on my journey to profitability. Because, like I said, I am struggling in two things, which is risk and then respecting my account, whether it's mine, whether it's profit, it's all still in the same thing. Because if I cannot respect the profit, cannot respect the personal account, I will not appreciate, the profits and the risk that comes with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys on that journey. But as always, I love ya. Mahalo,